Well, here I am inside my Spike app. You can see that I'm in a new project, and just below the tab that gives me the project name, I can see a symbol. The symbol looks like the hub. There's a little green dot next to that, which tells me that I am connected up to my hub. If I tap that symbol, this takes me to a little dashboard where I can see an enlarged image of my hub. I can see my ports. This will also show me when I've got any motors or sensors connected into those ports as well. I can see up on the top left there's the name of my hub right there. I can actually rename my hub from here just by tapping below the sign that says disconnect. And you can see there I can rename my hub. I can also see in my dashboard that I have access to viewing the inbuilt sensors inside my Spike Prime hub. At the moment it's showing me my tilt angle, and you can see just to the left of where it says tilt angle, it's measuring yaw, pitch and roll. So if I just start to move my hub around, you can see that those values start to change. So it's using that tilt sensor inside my hub. If I tap on tilt angle, I can see that I have some other sensors inside my hub as well. Orientation, gyro rate and acceleration. So let's look at what each of those looks like. Let's tap at orientation. So it tells me at the moment my hub is on its front, or the orientation is front. Let's see what happens when I move it around. There we go. It's showing me that the orientation is now bottom, back to front, top. Let's see what it does here. Right side, back, left side, and returning to the front. So let's tap that selection again and let's look at gyro rate. So this uses the inbuilt gyro sensor. So if I start turning my hub, you can see that this is measuring the rate of turn, the rate of pivot on each of those axes, X, Y and Z. And lastly we have acceleration, and again this is measuring how quickly these turns might happen around the X, Y and Z axes. The other thing I can do inside this little tab is manage my programs, and if I give that a tap, I can see each of my 20 programming slots, and I can very easily here delete these programs, which just makes things a little easier to manage. So there we are, inside the dashboard of my Spike app.